Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use swipes on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. When you open Yubo, it will directly take you to the swipes button. If you want to check out more of their photos, tap to your right. Tap to your left in order to return back. Once you have checked out their profile, if you want to add them, swipe to your right and swipe left if you want to pass. If you want your profile to be more visible to the user, tap on the turbo button at the bottom right of the photo and simply tap on Launch Turbo. And that's it. These are the basics on how to use swipes on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.